We have created a system designed to understand every device it touches, built to bring clarity into a fragmented world of used mobile technology. M360 is a software platform engineered to deliver fast, precise insight across every stage of the device lifecycle. From hardware diagnostics to deep software analysis, it reads and interprets what lives inside every component, from Android devices to the most advanced iPhones on the market. And other devices too. It transforms complex data into clear, actionable decisions for trade-in, for repair, for wholesale operations, for retail environments, for refurbishment. At the core of M360 is a unified architecture designed for flexibility, a single system that adapts to the way you work and integrates seamlessly with the platforms you already use. Diagnostics are only the beginning. With certified data erasure, validated by ADISA, secure device handling becomes part of the same streamlined workflow. No extra steps, no added complexity. Every device is analyzed through more than 80 precision tests, from OEM component verification to deep device intelligence, to instant activation checks for Apple devices. Designed to simplify decision-making at scale, M360 is built for performance. Run diagnostics, erasure, and reporting in parallel, across dozens of devices at the same time. Batch operations become effortless. Every action is recorded, stored securely in the cloud, accessible instantly for review, tracking, and transparency. With fully customizable workflows, labels, and reporting, M360 adapts to your operation, not the other way around. And through direct API integration, it connects seamlessly to your ERP systems and digital infrastructure. This is more than testing. It is a system designed to bring intelligence into every decision, to reduce uncertainty, to increase control, to move your operation forward with precision. M360 Diagnostics. Understanding devices at scale.